Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the most powerful gear for your adventures. Today, we're bringing you the best solar panel kit for off-grid living, the Renogy Premium 400-watt 12-volt solar kit. Whether you're powering an RV, cabin, boat, or preparing for emergencies, this kit delivers unmatched efficiency, durability, and convenience. Let's get started. Right out of the box, the Renogy Premium kit impresses with its build quality. You're getting 4 100-watt monocrystalline panels, each crafted with Renogy's new N-type cells. These aren't your average solar cells. They reach up to 25% efficiency, meaning you're squeezing out more power in less space, and more importantly, more energy even under less than perfect sunlight. Thanks to N-type technology, this system delivers 14% more power than conventional P-PERC panels. Up to 2.5 kilowatt-hours of clean, renewable energy every single day, depending on sunlight conditions. That's enough to run lights, charge devices, power small appliances, and more. Durability is another key highlight. Each panel uses Renogy's advanced 16 busbar cell design. That's 16 fine lines of current collection, which not only boosts energy transfer but also improves structural integrity. This design is less prone to microcracks, which are a leading cause of solar panel failure over time. It's built to last, even in tough outdoor conditions. Speaking of tough conditions, this kit thrives where others struggle. With a temperature coefficient of -0.29% per degree Celsius, the Renogy panels keep their cool, literally. When temperatures rise, these panels lose less efficiency compared to others. That's a huge win if you're in a hot climate or desert setting. At the heart of the system is Renogy's Rover Li 40 AMPPT charge controller. It intelligently manages power flow to your battery bank, ensuring optimal charging and safety. MPPT technology tracks the maximum power point in real time, which boosts your solar yield, especially on cloudy days or during partial shading. Now, let's talk control. The kit comes with the Renogy VT2 Bluetooth module. Using the Renogy DC Home app, you can monitor your solar performance in real time right from your phone. From voltage and current to battery status and error codes, it's all there, up to 82 feet away. That means no more climbing into tight compartments or reading tiny screens. And when it comes to protection, this kit has your back. Built-in safeguards prevent overcharging, discharging, short circuits, reverse polarity, and more. Inline fuses and a 40 AANL fuse add an extra layer of defense to your charge controller and batteries. Installation is made simple with a complete set of mounting Z brackets, adapter kit, tray cables, and fuse cables. Everything is plug-and-play friendly, even if you're new to solar setups. Just mount the panels, connect the cables, and let the sun do the rest. Weighing in at 71 pounds and measuring just under 44 inches in height per panel, this kit is compact enough for RV roofs but powerful enough for fixed cabin setups. Renogy even includes rugged aluminum frames and tempered glass for outdoor resilience. To sum it up, if you want a solar kit that's efficient, durable, safe, and smart, the Renogy Premium 400W kit is the best off-grid solar solution out there. It's an investment that pays off with peace of mind, lower energy costs, and complete freedom from the grid. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more deep dives into the best gear on the market. Until next time, stay powered, stay independent.